Hello friends, now we are going to learn the skeletal system. Are you ready? Let's start. The skeletal system consists of bones and cartilage. There are 206 bones in an adult human body. The framework of bones is called the skeleton, which gives support and shape to the body. Some of the functions of the human skeletal system. It protects the soft internal organs of our body. It gives strength, support and shape to the body and also helps in movement. It contains important minerals needed by our body. Many bones are hollow and filled with a substance called bone marrow. Bone produces the blood cells. About skull, the hard structure that you feel when you touch and press your head is called the skull. It protects the brain. The skull has 22 bones. It also has hole where the eyes, nose and ears are positioned. Of all the bones in the skull, only the lower jaw bone can move, all others are fixed. The upper and lower jaws have teeth. About backbone or spine, the long bone that you feel when you run your hand through the center of your back is called the backbone, spine or the vertebral column. The backbone is made up of 33 small bones called the vertebrae. These bones help us in bending, twisting and turning. It also helps in keeping the body upright. The backbone protects the spinal cord inside it, which is connected to the brain in the skull. About ribcage, the frame of bone that forms a cage-like structure in the chest area is called ribcage. It protects the heart and the lungs. It is made up of 12 pairs of long curved bones called the ribs. These ribs join the backbone at the back. 10 pairs of ribs are joined to the front bone or sternum. The remaining 2 pairs of ribs that are not attached to the breastbone are called the floating ribs. About limbs, a pair of arms also called forelimbs and part of legs also called hind limbs make up the limbs in our body. The long bone in the arm is called the humerus. In the tight bone in the leg is called the femur. The femur is the longest bone in the human body. The feet and the hands are made up of many smaller bones.